Water parks like this one definitely provide an action-packed day full of fun and adventure.
But while you're racing your mates or sliding at extreme speeds, have you ever thought about issues like drought or water conservation?
This park can hold 2.5 million litres of water. That's the size of 2.5 Olympic swimming pools. Angus Hutchings is the Safety and Environment Manager here. He's in charge of making sure the water is used responsibly and efficiently.
Adam, although we're in drought, it doesn't mean that we need to totally stop using water. But what it does mean is that we need to use our water very, very efficiently. Now, in the park here, we have a range of measures to ensure that we've cut our consumption of water by more than half.
How has the park been designed to save H2O?
Well, every aspect of the park has been designed to be water wise. Now, just in front of us here, we have our filtration room. Now, that is the main way that we save water. It's very high tech and it's about 90% more efficient than a regular sand filtration unit that you'd see in most parks or backyard swimming pools.
So, litre-wise, how much water do you actually save?
By using our filtration system here, we're saving nearly 23 million litres of water per year, or around about 23 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
Wow, that's a really good effort.
When you're making a splash in the wave pool, I bet you wouldn't even realise that it has been shaped to save water.
Angus, all I can really see here is a wave of people having fun. Can you tell me how water conservation works in this particular area?
Well, as you can see behind us, Adam, the entrance to the wave pool is sloped. Now, that slope allows the water to be diverted into the drain pipe. The drain pipe then takes the water and then recirculates it back into the filtration system. Now, because of that, we're constantly able to recirculate and reuse the water.
The same system is applied throughout the whole park. The diverted water is recirculated back to the top of the slides in a continuous cycle.
You can get some pretty decent speeds on the rides. How do you stop the water from splashing over the edge?
Well, all the rides have been designed to prevent that water from splashing over the edge. You can see with all the slides above us now, as the slide twists and turns, those sections of slide either have a splash guard fitted or else they are fully enclosed.
Angus, have the gardens and the pathways been used to conserve water at all?
All our gardens and pathways have been designed to be water efficient. If you look at any of our walkways, they've all been built with a very small slope. Now, what that slope does is capture all the water runoff and divert it into our detention ponds, which is sort of like a big holding pool. We then take that water and we use it to irrigate all our plants and gardens and lawns. If you look at our plants, they've been specifically selected so that they are drought tolerant. That means they only need a small amount of water to survive. Even the mulch covering the garden beds has also been selected to ensure that it retains moisture and it minimises water evaporation.
Well, team, next time you're slipping and sliding out a water park, make sure you keep in mind just how much water could be being saved. Now, before you go, here's what's coming up on the next Totally Wild.